Hello friends, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my BE in North Maharashtra University and today's date is 13 January and today's topic is what is recursion. Recursion is nothing but we can change the in that recursion we can change the loop into format in a method. We can see the first introduction of recursion. Well, focus on core concept any programming language recursion. We explain the characteristics of the recursive function and show how use recursions for solving various problems in Java. Understanding the recursion, we can see its definition. What is the recursion definition? In Java, the function call mechanism support the possibilities of having a method call itself. This functionality is known as recursion. Stop condition. The function returns a value when certain condition is satisfied without a further recursive call. The recursive call, the function calls itself with an input which is a step closer to stop condition. Each recursive call it add new frame to the stack memory of the JVM. So if we don't pay attention how to deep recursion call can drive an out of memory exception may occurs. These potential problems can be avoided by the leveraging tail recursion. Then what is tail recursion versus head recursion? We refer to a recursive function as a tail recursion when the recursive call is the last thing that function execute, otherwise it's known as head recursion. Recursion versus iteration. Recursion can help the simplify the implementation of some complicated problems by making codes clear and more readable. But as we are already since the recursive approach often required more memory as the stack memory required. Increase with each recursive call as an alternative if we can solve a problem with a recursion. We have also solved it by iteration, halting condition just as loop can run. Into the problems of infinite looping, recursive function can be run into the problems infinite recursion. Infinite recursion is an when function never stops calling itself. Every recursive function should have halting condition, which condition where the function stop calling itself. In the recursion, we can changing the pattern into loops. How they we change? We can simply take a loop or simply take a just a create. We can create object with an argument and we can give a initialization variable assign it and we can create a method for the for loop in the recursion. Thank you.